Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to start our next session of our online class, and I'm happy to meet you online here, and we are going to revise the chapters. Okay, now we'll revise the 6th chapter which we have learned already. I'll just give the reduced portion, and I'll just revise the portion which is there in the reduced portion alone. Okay, first itself we have completed the lessons. I have taught the whole lesson, and now I'm going to revise the portion which is included in the reduced syllabus alone. Okay.
The 6th chapter is Introduction to Word Processor. Word processor means it's a text document. You are going to create, edit and get a data from a text document. Okay, this word processor, we have so many word processor softwares, right? Let's see what are the softwares we are going to use. In this chapter, we are going to use Open Office Writer, right? This is a Apache software. The developer is Apache and the package name is Open Office Writer. In this, we are going to learn the usage, the creation, how to store, how to manipulate, how to transmit, and how to retrieve a text document here in this OpenOffice Writer, right? This word processing is the activity which is carried out by a computer with the suitable softwares to create, edit, manipulate, transmit, store, and retrieve the text documents, right? The familiar word processing packages, let's see the familiar word processing packages first, right? Microsoft Word. This one we all would have heard, and the developer is Microsoft Corporation, right? WPS Word is the developer is Kingsoft. Word Pro, the developer is Lotus Corporation, right? These are all word processing softwares. Microsoft Word is from Microsoft Corporation. WPS Word is from Kingsoft. Word Pro is from Lotus Corporation, right? Some of the open source word processing softwares are this. In this chapter, we are going to study, right? This is Open Office Writer. This is a open source word processing software, right? And LibreOffice Writer. This is the developer of this LibreOffice Writer is the Document Foundation. Okay, and the another one which is given in your book is Abi Word. The developer is Abi Source, right? Some of the Tamil word processors are LibreOffice Writer. We have Tamil. So it is Tamil LibreOffice Writer, Kamban 3.0, Mentamil 2017. These are all the famous Tamil word processors, right? This famous word processors are exclusively for Tamil language alone, right? This Microsoft also provides full Tamil interface for all the office suites. Here we are going to learn about this OpenOffice Writer, right? This OpenOffice Writer is a leading open source office software suite for this word processing, right? This is an open source software. Why do we say it as an open source software? Anyone can use this, right? We don't need to buy this. This is an open source. This is a free version, and we can use this OpenOffice Writer for free, right? Here we have word processing. For word processing, we have OpenOffice Writer. And like Excel, here we have spreadsheet, presentation, graphics, database, and much more in this OpenOffice Writer also, right? In this OpenOffice package, right? In this OpenOffice package, to do the text document, you have to open this OpenOffice Writer, right? Here, other than this also, we have some more options. We have spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, database, formulas, templates, likewise. So many options will be there when you open this Apache OpenOffice, right? This stores all the data in an international open standard form, and we can also read and write the files for a common office packages, right? OpenOffice is very easy to learn, and the protective office suite with the collection of different software packages, like let's see what all will come under this OpenOffice package, right? First one is OpenOffice Writer. This is a word processor, and this is used to create text documents, right? Next one is OpenOffice Calci. Calci means from the word itself you can just understand this is used to create worksheets or you can say it as spreadsheet, right? And the next one is OpenOffice Base. That means it is a database, right? Database means it's a collection of data. And the next one is OpenOffice Impress. It is like a PowerPoint, right? In this OpenOffice, we have OpenOffice Impress for presentation, right? This is a presentation software. And the next one is OpenOffice Draw. That is a drawing software. OpenOffice Formula is used to create formulas and equations, right? So here we have OpenOffice Writer, OpenOffice Calci, OpenOffice Base, OpenOffice Impress, OpenOffice Draw, OpenOffice Formula, right? As we all know, this OpenOffice Writer is a word processor, right? Here, the additional features which are available in this word processing are spell check is available, right? When you are writing a wrong spelling, it will automatically check and give you the option of the correct spelling, right? Then thesaurus is also there. Thesaurus is nothing but synonyms, right? When you type a word like provide means if you just click on that you can get the synonyms for that offer or some other words which has the similar meaning will be displayed there. Then hyphenation, that means automatic hyphen generation will be there, and autocorrect is there. If you are typing a word wrongly and if you just click on space, it will automatically correct the spelling and it will find and replace. Automatic generation of table of contents. If you are having a full textbook or if you are typing a very long text, the text index and table of contents will be created automatically, right? And mail merge and so many other features are also here in this OpenOffice Writer. Let's see what are the important features found here. Templates and styles, page layout, methods including the frames, columns and tables, right? Templates and styles means each document we can create with each template models, right? Page layout means it will have columns, tables, rows, and we can have frames for a specific page too, right? Embedded or linking of graphics, spreadsheet and other objects. We can link other spreadsheets or some other graphics into this word processor also, right? Built-in drawing tools. Inside the OpenOffice Writer itself, drawing tools are also available here. Master document to group a collection of document into a single document, right? Master documents means one main document will be there and we can have a collection of documents inside a single document. Change tracking during revision. When you are revising that, when you are just checking it, you can just change the tracking. Database integration including a bibliography database too. That means it is a list of the books referred to a scholar or if you are doing a scholarly work or for PhD works and all, some books has to be referred, right? For this also, this OpenOffice Writer is having the options, right? And it has the option to export to PDF too. And let's see how to download and install this OpenOffice. Downloading and installing the latest version of OpenOffice means you have to uh, type www.openoffice.org/download just in the address bar of the browser, right? http://www.openoffice.org/download. If you just type this in the browser, you can download this OpenOffice full package at free of cost, right? Let's see how to create a new document in this OpenOffice Writer. For this, we have various methods. The normal method to open this OpenOffice Writer is from Windows, you have to select Start, then select All Programs, OpenOffice, and from there you have to select OpenOffice Writer. Or else, from the welcome screen we'll say it is Star Sender. From there you have to double click the OpenOffice icon in the desktop, then a Star Center or the opening screen of OpenOffice will be displayed. From there you have to select text document or you can just create a new text document by going to File, New Text Document from any OpenOffice application. Or we can just click Control plus N. That is, in the keyboard you have Control button, right? CTRL and the N button at the same time, and we can just open a new text document. And when you are opening the new OpenOffice Writer window, this window will be appeared. And let's see the parts of this Writer window first. Here at the top, as we saw the title bar previously, here in this OpenOffice Writer also we have title bar with document name. The name which you give for the file will be displayed in the top title bar, right? If you are not saving it, before that it will be displaying as untitled one OpenOffice Writer. And the next one is menu bar. Here we have file, edit, view, insert, format, table, tools, window, help. These are all menus, and this bar we'll say it as menu bar. And below the menu bar we have toolbar. Here we have the tools to edit the text document, and below that if you see there will be a scale, or it is a ruler, that 1 2 3 that number will be there. This is a ruler. It will be present both in horizontal and in the vertical directions. Same way, in the right side we'll have the scroll bars. In the vertical and horizontal side we'll have scroll bar and ruler. In the left side we have ruler, left side and top we'll have ruler, right side and bottom we'll have scroll bars, and down below this scroll bar we'll have a status bar. There the number of pages will be displayed. If you're having one page, it will be displayed as page 1 of 1. If you are having two pages, and if you are in the first page, it will be displaying as page 1/2. Likewise, how many pages you are having, it will be shown there. And in the top right corner, you will have control buttons. There we will have minimize, maximize and close button. The red one which denotes X, or the cross symbol, is the close button, and the minus, that symbol is minimize, and the square or that box symbol is maximize. These are the components of writer window. Okay, here we have seen about title bar, control buttons, minimize, maximize and the close button, and then now we are going to see about the menu bar. Menu bar means here we can see file, edit, view, insert, format, table, tools, window, help and all, right? So file means it will consist of some submenus, like when you click on this file, you can see new, open, close, save as, print, export and some other submenus also, right? So file is used to open a new document or open an existing document, or to save, in a new name, to print, to export, everything. This file has the submenus. Edit means inside this edit we'll have the submenus like cut, copy, paste, undo, redo. These all will come under edit. Copy, paste, cut we all know. Undo means the shortcut key for undo is Control Z. Right? Undo means the last task will be repeated again. If you have unknowingly deleted something, if you need it back, you can just do this undo, right? And next one is view. Inside this view menu, we'll have web layout, print layout, navigator. These submenus and all will come under this view, right? Inside this insert, this menu is the main menu to insert pictures, videos or whatever you need. You can insert into this text document using this insert menu only, right? Inside this insert menu, you'll have pictures, tables, charts, comments, header, footer, special characters, whatever you have to insert other than the text, you will be using this insert menu, right? And next one is format menu, right? Format means here we have page formatting tools, right? Page formatting means page layout, page font characters, page size. These all will come under page layout. For text formats means you'll have font characters like bulletin, numbering, these all will come under this formats. Okay, next one is table. Table means if you are writing something, if you want to write down your timetable, means you will be drawing a timetable. For timetable, you'll be drawing you'll have some number of rows and number of columns for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and first or second or third or likewise, you will be drawing the table, right? That also we can do in this writer itself, right? Actually, spreadsheet or the Excel. Here we have OpenOffice Calci. There only we'll have cells. That means we'll have some rows and columns, right? Here in this OpenOffice Writer, that in this text document itself, you can create a table. Here you can insert rows and columns using this table menu, right? Then next one is tools. In tools, we'll have spell check, macros, we'll have some mail merge, notes, footers, uh, headers and footers will come under insert. Here you will have notes as footnotes and normal notes means if you are having one word and you want to give the definition of that particular word in that page itself means you can just give it as notes, right? These tools and all will come under this tools menu, right? Next one is window. Window means to get a new window or to close a window or to split the window or to freeze. For these options and all will come under this window, right? And if you want to know something, if you want to question something, means you'll have help features also here. So for that you have to use this help menu. Okay, next one is toolbar. Toolbar, here under the menu bar we have the toolbar, right? This toolbar is of two types, that is standard toolbar and formatting toolbar. Standard toolbar means this tool bar is just below the menu bar. This will have the shortcut icons for the frequently performed task. That means you are using this cut option or the save option frequently, means those things will be there in that standard toolbar, right? And the formatting toolbar means it will be below the standard toolbar. The top line is the title bar, then you will have the menu bar, then we'll have toolbar, right? In that, the first line will have the frequently used icons, right? The shortcuts for if you are saving it frequently means you'll have the save icon. If you are using cut option frequently means that cut option will be there. Whatever you are using frequently will be there in the standard toolbar. Just below the standard toolbar, you will have formatting toolbar. That in that formatting toolbar, we'll have formatting options for text. Text means we'll have text style for selecting the style or type of the font. There we'll have one box. There as a default one, it will be selected as Times New Roman. If you click the arrow near that, you will get the drop down box and you can select the font from that. That font size, bold, italics, underline, and then the justifications or in the left side, right side, or whatever those text formatting tools will be there in this formatting toolbar, right? Next is ruler. We have seen it is like a scale. Here we'll have horizontal and vertical ruler, right? Then we have seen about the workspace, status bar and all, and now we are going to see how can you enter a text, right? When you open a new document, it will be like a plain paper, right? When we start to type, from where this will start, you'll have a mouse, right? When you are moving the mouse, you will get a mouse pointer there. If you click on this text document, one insertion cursor will be appearing there, right? That is the insertion pointer. From that place only, the text will start to be displayed. Whatever you are typing will be shown there in the screen. And if you are doing this word wrap means when the text reaches the end of the line, the word will automatically wrapped to the next line. This feature in any word processor will say it as word wrap, right? Then in the keyboard, if you see, there will be a enter key. If that enter key is pressed, that cursor will move to the next line, right? When there is a blank line has to be inserted there, you have to click another one enter and it will go to the next line, right? when a page is filled up, this OpenOffice writer or whatever Word document you are using, that word processor will automatically open the new page and it will continue to show the text whichever you are typing, right? Next, we are going to see about moving within a document, right? Moving within a document means to move a character to one place, right? For that, we'll use arrow keys. In the keyboard, we'll have 4 arrow keys. Left arrow, right arrow, top arrow, and bottom showing arrow, right? So these 4 arrows are used to move a character, right? When you want to move a character to the right, to move a character right means you will use the right key. Left side means you will use this left key. If you want to move one line up means you will use up key. If you want to move one word right means you will use control plus the right arrow key. If you want to move left side means control plus left arrow key, right? These are the keyboard shortcut keys. Here in this chapter you will be learning cut, copy, paste and every options inside this word and all. Okay, if you wish to know the shortcuts for all the editing properties, that means for copy we have uh, shortcut key control plus C. Cut means control plus X. Paste means control plus V. For alignment, for undo, redo, everything we are having shortcut keys. If you want to know the shortcut key means you can just refer page number 98 in your book. They have given all the shortcut keys there. If you know the shortcut key, it will be saving time and it will be easy for you to do the job, right? And here in this arrow, if you want to go one paragraph up means you can just press control and up arrow key. One paragraph down means control plus down arrow key. If you want to go to the beginning of the line means you will have a key called home and you will have a key called end. Home means you can go to the beginning of the line. If you want to go to the end of the line, you can press end key. Or if you want to go to the beginning of the document, if you are typing 5 or 10 or 12 pages, and if you want to go to the beginning of the document means you can just click control and home, right? If you want to come to the end of the document, you can just press control and end. They have tab key in the keyboard, right? Tab key means to move one cell to the right. If you are creating a table, you have to move to each cell, right? For that you can use this tab key, right? Or else you can use the space bar to get small space in when you are typing a text document without table. If you want a 3 space together means you can just use the tab key, right? And if you want to move this cursor in a table to a cell to the left side means you can use shift plus tab key, right? To scroll one screen up, that means you are in a page 2. If you want to go to page 1 means you can just press page up, right? And if you want to go to page 3 when you are in page 2, you can just click on page down. This page up, page down and all will be in the keyboard, right? And then about saving a document. For saving we have shortcut also. Control plus S is the shortcut for saving a document. Or else you can just go to file and then click on save. Or you can just click on save as and it will open a save dialog box. And in that dialog box you have to select in which place this document has to be saved. That one you have to select here and then you have to give the file name and then you have to give .odt. Okay, this is OpenOffice Writer, right? So in this document you have to, it will be stored with the extension .odt. Okay, if you are just giving a name also, after that when you are seeing the file, it will be saved as .odt with this extension only it will be saved, right? And then you have to click on save in the dialog box, right? Are you clear? And this is the simple procedure for saving a document simply, or you can save it with password also. For that you have to go to save with password. Like this one option will be there. You have to just tick there. In this dialog box itself, if you see down, it will give us save with password. If you tick that and then click save means this dialog box will be appear, right? If this dialog box appears, you can just give enter password to open. In that column, you can give enter your password, and in the next confirm password column, you have to give the same password once again. Whenever you open this file also, it will ask for this password. Only if you type this password, it will open the file, right? And then you have to click this OK to finalize. And this is about saving with password, right? And there are some more options will be there, like read only. If you are giving only read only means you cannot change anything there. If you are not giving that, you can change the document. You can just see the file, right? Then next one is about closing a document. For closing, you can go to file and you can click on close, or else you can just click Control plus W in the keyboard, right? If you haven't saved at that time, you will get a dialog box like the document untitled one has been modified. Do you want to save your changes? If you want to save it, you can just give save, or else you can just leave that alert box and you can just close it, or you can just give discard or cancel and close it, right? And when you are opening, if you have saved one file in this Open Office Writer and you want to open the existing document means you have to go to file and then open. The shortcut for that is Control plus O, right? I have to click on file and then select open, and from the document you can select what document you need to open and then click open, right? Next is Tamil typing interface. Typing in Tamil has different methods. One is using Tamil font, or else other one is using Tamil interface. That means this first method is Tamil font means this will be available, which has to be downloaded and installed there, right? So this will include the font folder also, so that font will be saved in this Open Office Writer and we'll have the font here. But this method has some disadvantages. That means this user must be aware of Tamil typing. If you are having that font, if you are typing in English, it won't come. If you know the Tamil typing only, you can type it in Tamil, right? The particular font must be available in the system, and it does not support other languages like English and all. Then the computer accepts the characters as symbols, not as a language, right? So we need to know the Tamil typing and we must download that font. Then only you can type this Tamil. It is not portable. That means if the document is sent to another computer, means if that computer is also having that font, means only you can open the file in that computer and it will be shown as Tamil, or else it will show some other box like something will come. In some mobiles and all, if you see, if you send one smiley from here, if that mobile doesn't support smiley, it will be shown as box or some dots or some symbols like. Likewise, it will be there. This is the disadvantages of this, right? So to overcome this disadvantage, this Tamil interface method has been found, right? Here it follows a unique code. So this, to type this Tamil typing is not necessary. That means we don't need to learn any typing. You can just type. It is very easy. That means in any word processor, it will be easy to type in Tamil. Some of the Unicode fonts like Arial Unicode, this and all will support all the Indian languages. This will support Tamil and English using the respective language interference. For this, how to download and install there. Let's see how to download and install this Tamil typing interface, right? For that, some open source softwares are available. That is Murasu, Murasu. This is exclusively for Tamil, right? And another one is NHM. This is the universal to all the Indian languages, right? For downloading this Murasu and this NHM writer, the links are given in your book itself. For Murasu, the link is http://anjal.net/. If you are typing like this, the download link will be available. NHM means the same http :/software.nhm.in. If you are typing like this, you will get the link to download and install this Tamil interface, right? And editing a document. Next one we are going to see this editing a document, right? Once a document is typed and it is saved, right? And you can edit it using so many keys, and you can edit using the edit menu also. In the keyboard, if you see, there will be a key named backspace, or sometimes it will be showing us an arrow. Backspace, that is the backspace. If you keep the cursor on the right side of it, it will delete the character to the left of the insertion pointer, right? Delete key also will be there. Delete key means it will, if the cursor is in the left side of the lecture or the character, means this delete key will delete the character to the right side of the insertion pointer, right? To insert a text between means you can use the insert key will be there in the keyboard. That insert key can be used, right? If you press the insert key again, the text is overwritten on the existing text. If you are typing Jenny and in the place of Jenny you have to type Imanci, means you can just keep the cursor before Jenny and you can just click the insert key once, and when you are typing it will just over type on it. So this is known as type over mode. You can toggle between the insert mode and type over mode also by pressing the insert key. Once if you press the insert key, it will be in insert mode. If you press the insert key again, it will move to type over mode, right? Next one is selecting, moving and copying the text. Selecting means if to select the continuous text, and to select the non-continuous text means if you press and hold the shift key and drag the mouse, it will just select, right? Or else to select the uncontinuous text, that means in first paragraph first word you have to select, second paragraph one word you have to select, and in the next paragraph one word if you have to select, means you can just click the control key in the keyboard and just select whatever words or whatever lines you have to select. You can just select and you can just modify. If you want to give bold or if you want to give a color to that specific words, you can just give. Selecting the continuous text means it is just easy. You have to just click the mouse button and you can just drag it. Or if you are using the keyboard, means you can just keep the insertion point before the word and click the shift key along with the arrow key, right? So that the text will be selected. If you want to, if the cursor is in the front first and the right words has to be selected, means you can just click the shift key along with the arrow keys. Right arrow if you press, each text will be selected, right? If you want to select the whole line, you can just click the down arrow, right? So this selection method means you can do it with mouse or you can select it with the keyboard also, right? To select also we have some shortcuts, right? If you are clicking two times, means the whole word will be selected. That means if you are double clicking on a word, means the whole word will be selected. If you want to select the entire document, means you have to click Control A, right? And you have seen by using the keyboard also. Keyboard means shift key and arrow key. Mouse means you have to hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse along the text, right? And next one is moving and copying. Moving means you have to just cut and paste it there. Copying means you have to just copy and paste it there. If you want to move or copy whatever you need, first you have to select the text, right? You have to select the particular text and you can just right click and select cut from there, or else you can just go to edit and cut, or else you can use the scissor symbol will be there in the top, or sometimes it will be showing us cut. When you move the cursor near that scissor symbol, it will show us cut. You can use that cut icon also, or else the keyboard shortcut key is Control X. If you cut it, the thing there will be disappeared, right? Wherever you want that text, you can just keep the cursor there and you can again right click and paste it, or you can just go to edit and paste, or paste icon will be there, and you can just type just click on that paste icon, or the shortcut for pasting is Control plus V. In the same way, copying means copy is Control plus C is the shortcut, or you can go to edit and click on copy, or copy icon also will be there, you can use that. Copying means you have to just copy and paste again. If you want to cut means cut and paste it again. Copying means the existing text will be there, and wherever you are pasting, that also will be present there, right? So this is the difference between cut, copy, paste, right? And the next one is undo. Undo means the last operation, the cancel the previous operation that was performed, right? If you have unknowingly deleted a full paragraph, means if you are giving the undo symbol, or if you are going to edit and giving undo, it cancels the previous operation that was performed. Okay, the shortcut for undo key is Control plus Z. Okay, then the paste special. In this paste, we'll have some special options. When you move or copy the selected text, when you are pasting, it will send the information as a whole. But if you want to move or copy only some aspects of the data, like formatting, or you need as a value, this paste has special options, right? To use the special options, how to use, go to edit, and you have to select paste special, right? Or when you are pasting, how to press Control key, Shift key along with V, right? Or else you can press Alt key will be there, ALT, Alt plus E key and also S key together means paste special dialog box will be displayed, right? This paste special menu means this varies depending upon the origin or the formatting of the text, right? Here you can select DDE link from this paste special dialog box. Okay, DDE means dynamic data exchange. This is a mechanism where the source data can be pasted into the destination as a linked or a live copy of the original one. Any changes made in the source will immediately be reflected in the destination also. But from where you copied, in that place whatever is done, whatever is changed, here also it will be automatically changed. That means you can select this DDE link. Okay, then select the type of the application. From here, DDE link means I have explained unformatted text, formatted text, HTML. These options are there. If you want unformatted text, if you want the text separately, or if you need it as a rich text format, RTF, we have learned in the second chapter itself, I think. So this formatted text, if you need, how you need, you can just select that, and then you have to click the OK button. The copied data will be pasted into the document, right? Are you clear? Here they have given some workshops also. You just see page number 77 and you just read this lesson. If you have computer or laptop in your home, just try this out. Okay, this OpenOffice Writer is a open source software. That means it is a free software. Anyone can download and use it. So if you can just try it and take all this, take the book and take down all the headings in a note and just do it one by one and just try it out. Okay, that's all for today. We'll see the next formatting or the next options in the next class. Okay, in next class we are going to see the formatting text and paragraph of options and all. Right? When you are learning that, you will get a clear idea about this OpenOffice Writer. Okay. Now, thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye.